Trading lesson number 105. How much money do you need or capital to start trading? Karamihang tanong ng mga beginner at gustong pasukin ang mundo ng trading. Sasagutin natin yan mga master. First of all, hindi mo kailangan ng kahit ni 5 duling para magsimula ng trading career mo. Hindi mo ba alam na maraming demo account na pwede mong gamitin to start trading? Ito yung tinatawag na virtual money or kung tawagin ay paper money. Maraming platform ang nag-o-offer ng demo account gaya ng OKX nag-o-offer lang to ng free. So pwede ka kaagad magsimula ng trading career mo ngayon din nang walang nilalabas na pera to test your trading skills. Once na kumita ka na or puro wins ka na sa mga trades mo, that's the time na pwede ka nang maglagay ng funds mo or real money sa mga trading platform. You can start small amount muna to test your emotion, how it feels to be a winner and a loser kapag totoong pera na. And after that, in short term, possible na first day, weeks, or months, pwede kang swertehin to gain consistently wins. But in the long run, without a solid, proper game plan or strategy and a solid risk management na sinusunod, pwedeng masayang lang yung mga pinasok at pinaghirapan mong pera dito. Kaya once na pumasok kayo sa mundo ng trading, invest first sa sarili nyong learnings. Yan yung kayamanan nyo na hindi mananakaw sa inyo kailanman. Since nasa information age na tayo, marami kayong makukuha ng mga free learnings, materials online, gaya ng mga YouTube at marami pang iba. Rather than ipatalo nyo lang ng ipatalo dahil kulang pa yung mga kaalaman nyo sa market, you need to look or backtest of what is totally the definition of a profitable strategy. How is that work? And ano-ano yung mga criteria or confluence na hinahanap to have a higher probability trade that will result to a profitable strategy. Once na alam mo na yan, ulitin mo lang ng ulit-ulitin and you will realize na ganun lang kadali ang trading. Hindi yung palagi kayong naghahabol at laging FOMO na takot maiwan, yung hindi mapakali the moment na wala kayong open position. Hindi ganun ang trading master. This is not a game na paramihan ng panalo or pagalingan humula kung saan ang susunod na direction ng market. This is a game na patagalan sa market makasustain. If hindi mo alam how to protect your capital, magiging seasonal trader ka lang dahil laging nauubos or naliliquidate yung funds mo. But the moment you know how to properly use and protect your capital, dito ka magtatagal sa larangan na to and madedevelop and magkakaroon ng knowledge and also experience na magagamit mo consistently to earn money. Kaya always focus on your progress. 1% every day is better than nothing. Kaya stay focused and discipline. Aral lang ng aral mga master. Soon, hindi mo namamalayan na papabilang ka na sa 5% of profitable trader.